Hello, if you're watching this, thank you for your interest in Sautai. My name is MJ. I am the creator and developer of the platform. And please pardon my voice. I'm fighting a cold, I think. I won't let that stop me from presenting this to you. So I'll start off with the platform itself. It is meant to give chefs like yourself, if you are a chef and you're watching this, the power to operate better. It does this by having a platform where you could manage all your clients, manage all the things that you need, ingredients, your meals, provides a payment system via Stripe better suited to manage and provide your invoices to your clients. It also comes with an AI assistant to help ensure that you are providing the best value to your clients and customers. It ensures that the food that you're making for them is allergy safe and it fits their dietary preferences. And it gives you suggestions, which is a complaint, I would say, that a lot of personal chefs have is, what can I cook for my clients? This provides that value. So here's the home screen. In it, you will see the amount of chefs that are currently active and the cities that they're located in. It's a young platform. I'm just starting, so you won't be able to see a lot yet, but hopefully that number increases as we get more people like yourself on board. And here I am logging in as a chef that I created. And you could pick what kind of mode you want to be in, if you want to be a customer or a chef, in chef mode. And then this is a little bit of an introduction into the platform and walks you through some basic steps for setting things up, what your nickname is, and what kind of food that it is that you want to focus on so that you can get those recommendations that I just spoke about. And it also asks, how would you like the sous chef assistant to communicate with you? From here, you could also start creating your dishes and your meals and all that. But for this demo, I've already done that work. This is an option that you have. So as soon as you start, you could start building out your dishes and all that. And you could also add your clients here. And there you are, your dashboard. There is a get started guide here that allows you to go through and set up your profile in greater detail. There is an insight page that shows the business performance, shows the money that's coming in, and shows a breakdown of your orders, shows the breakdown of your clients, how many new clients you have. And once again, it shows your profile where you could update your profile info, add a picture, add a banner image, also add a Calendly link for booking information. And this page is for the home kitchen, where you learn more about the micro enterprise home kitchen or operations that a lot of you have registered for and have been approved for. Because Sautai has been approved as well, we are able to provide the services of Makos on the internet, and you're able to sell through Sautai. These are some menu building where you could build ingredients, dishes, meals, and I found that this makes it easier for you to continue to make your meal plans. You can combine different dishes together and make a meal off those different dishes, which makes it easier to mix and match for different clients. And here is an example of that. And then the services are the services that you offer to your clients and customers. A single meal order, for example, where you're just making a meal and you're selling it all in one day. That's something a lot of you are currently doing. But there's also work like weekly meal prep, which a lot of customers have been asking for, where they want their meals created in bulk and put in their fridge so you don't have to worry about it. And here you could create payment links, like I mentioned at the onset, which makes it easier for you to send your invoices and receive your payments. And here you see your main page. And for this demo, it is a little bare bones because I just created this user for the demo. But once you are established and using it, you add your pictures of your meal and people get a visual representation of the kind of food that you make. They can see your services here as well. And once again, this is the early doors of this platform. We will be making improvements. It's just me doing this, but I still do believe it adds value. It is a single resource where you can share with your customers. You don't need to manage a website yourself, where you're able to send your customers to, and they could see your services and pay for it right there in the same spot and order. You get that notification and your operations run a bit more smoother. It's a small sample of what this service offers. There's still room to grow, and I hope that we can grow together and actually serve the people in our communities while also making sure that you are well paid. And I believe that's possible if we do good in the communities. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you're interested in using the platform, reach out. Thank you. This has been MJ, unscripted, but I'm really passionate about this project, and I really would love to work with you on this. So thank you, and take care.